Coin Curiosity here, and this is Redacted 9 line. We are here to close out the last 3 rolls of the 10 that we had been working on. Again, this was January 18th, so we're doing the last $1.50 of the $5 worth of pennies. The other 2 videos are posted to the channel. You can go back and watch them. We were able to find a few good finds. Well, we found one good find, a double die, 1984 double ear, and then we just found a few pennies for our collection that we needed to complete some of the books. So we are going to finish the pennies off, and then we will move on to the nickels. So hopefully we will come across something that at least is needed to complete our sets that we've been working on. And if we are lucky, we will come across an error coin. Maybe we'll even finally come across a wheat penny. If I can get this roll open at some point. Let's go ahead and cheat and use this pen. As they say, there's more than one way to skin a cat. Everybody, I cracked myself up. So here we go. All right, everybody, that was roll number 1. Let's go ahead and open up roll number 2 of the 3. Yeah, let's just get the pen in there again. All right, here we go. All right, we are down to the last roll. The last roll. And that is the last of the pennies for this grouping, this coin roll hunt sesh. So we will go ahead and take a deep dive into this $1.50 worth of pennies, and we'll see what we would like to highlight when we return in just a moment. Okay, these are the 10 small cents that we're going to be taking a closer look at to see what specific variety they are and see if we get lucky. So let's grab this first one. So this is a 92 Delta, which is 92 Denver. And what we are looking at is to see if the A and the M in America on the back are going to be close. So they're going to need to almost be touching. So let's go ahead and flip it. And though that is not touching. So this is a normal 92 Denver. So we do not need that one. Next, we have a 1998. And this is Philadelphia, since there is no mint mark. And the 1998, we are looking to see if the A and the M are now not touching. So if they are touching, then this is a standard small set. So let's go ahead and take a look. Let's try to get the... And the A and the M are touching, so we don't need that one. All right, next we have the 1982. We'll come back to that because that we need to weigh. So now we have a 92 Denver, 1992 Denver. So we pulled this out because this is, again, should have the wide AM for normal, or a close AM if it is going to be a special variety. And let's get that to focus, and that is not close. That is wide. Boo-hoo. 1982, we're going to weigh that here momentarily. 1963. I pulled this 1963 out because I just needed it to complete some of my sets. So there are no known variations to it, but this 1963 looks beautiful. So I'm actually happy to have that one. So let's go ahead and put that right there. So now we have another 1992 Denver. So we know what we're going to be looking for. We're going to be looking to make sure that it is a wide AM. And yes, you can see a clear gap. So we have a 1968 San Francisco penny. Now there's no variations to these small cents. However, they had only minted 258 million and change. So I will be putting this aside just to make sure that we have extras of those. Well, you wouldn't believe it. Another 1992 Denver. So let's see if there's separation. And there is separation. And for the last one, another 1992 Denver. So let's see if we have the separation, which we do. So now we'll get to these last two, which we had put aside. So these are the 1982 small cents. So we're just first going to go check for weight. So the first one, we have 2.5 grams, and the second one is 310. So the 1982 Denver, they only made the large date version, so we don't need to look at the date anymore with specificity, but this is a 3.11 gram penny, so this is the copper alloy. So we'll just put that aside to put with all of our other ones. And then this was 2.5 grams. Let's double check that. Let's make sure we're not losing our mind. And this is a large date. So the 1982 large date on the copper-plated zinc side. So this is the large date version. But again, they made many of these, and so they just had different weights. But that was the pennies for the small cents, if you will, for the coin roll hunting. We will be getting to all of these, everybody. This is what is coming up. So this is exciting, is it not? We're gonna get to it. But appreciate you watching. Don't forget to hit that like and hit that subscribe and leave a comment below. This has been Redacted 9Line for Coin Curiosity.